Hey guys, welcome to SuperBox Official. Our latest SuperBox S3 Pro has been released for a couple of months. The significant update of S3 Pro is a voice command feature from the previous S2 Pro. Today I'm gonna tell you every details of SuperBox S3 Pro's voice control function. If you are not sure how to use the voice function, be sure to watch this video to the end. Before using the voice control function, you need to pair the Bluetooth remote control to the TV box. You just press the mic button on your remote, holding the OK and the return button at the same time for 8 seconds until the red light flashes. Then press OK button again. The screen will display connected after a successful pairing. Now you are able to control your TV box with a voice. Firstly, you can use voice to install and delete apps. Now hold the mic button and speak. Download the app's name from the App Store list, or install the app's name. Then this app will be installed to your device automatically. Let's try. Download fast. There you go. Now we can try to uninstall the app. We can say delete with the app's name, or uninstall with the app's name. Let's try. Delete fast. Okay, the job was done. You can also open any apps you've installed with your voice, like open Chrome, or just say Chrome. Well, there you go. And we can speak close to easily close the browser. Let's try YouTube. Speak of YouTube. You are able to search by voice on YouTube with this remote control. But the operation will be a bit different. You need to press the mic button one time in the first. Just click it to activate the YouTube voice function. Then long press the mic button and speak what you want to search. Let me do it again. Press one time, then long press and speak. SuperBox S3 Pro. If you like to watch YouTube video on your TV, this will be very useful. Now let's move to the most functional part, the TV channel searching. Firstly, we can speak TV to open the live TV directly. Now we can search any TV channel by voice. Let's try Oxygen. It will go to the Oxygen channel directly. Let's try another one. ESPN. Now it will not go to the channel directly, but display the searching page. It's because there are multiple channels named with ESPN in its title. All you need to do is to select the right one you want to watch. We can also search TV channels on the home screen. Let's go back to the home screen and speak ESPN in TV or ESPN TV. Just add a TV after the channel's name. It will open the live TV and search the certain channel. Next is VOD searching. We can also speak video to open the VOD app directly. Now we can press the mic button and speak any movies, TV series title to search them. Let's try Spider-Man. raised by wolves. You can also search VOD by director or cast name. Let's try Steven Spielberg. And select movies only, director only. There you go. All movies directed by Steven Spielberg will be displayed here. And let's try Emma Stone and select TV series only, stars only. All Emma Stone's TV series will be displayed here. The VOD searching on the home screen is same as TV channel searching. Let's go back to the home screen and speak Loki in video or Loki video. Just add a video after what you are looking for. The playback searching is much easier. We can speak playback to open the playback app and speak the channel's name. Let's try ESPN here. It will switch to the channel. The same command on the home screen. Let's see ESPN in playback or ESPN playback. There you go. No matter what apps you are using, just speak home to the remote. It will go back to the home screen, and you can also use voice function for system setting changes, like settings. It will go to the system settings. Wi-Fi. It will go to the Wi-Fi setting. Date, sound, display, OTA. All of them works. Okay, these are almost all functions that can be achieved by the voice command feature. If you have any questions or any advice for the SuperBox S3 Pro's voice control, feel free to comment below or drop an email at info@mysuperboxtv.com. All your voice will be heard and valuable to us. And if you are new to SuperBox and not sure whether to choose SuperBox S2 Pro or S3 Pro, here's the answer. If you like the voice command feature a lot or need this feature very much, for instance, you want to gift your aged parents a TV box, then you should go to the S3 Pro. On the contrary, you can choose the SuperBox S2 Pro at a cheaper price. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. We'll have more tutorials and news. Goodbye.